Hey guys, it's August 1st and looks like the crop is about 80 to 90% done, ready to harvest. And looks like I haven't come a moment too soon because we're starting to get some damage from birds. I'll show you what that looks like. Now it's down here. There's a little patch missing. And what they do, they actually chop the stalks right at the base. This happened a couple years ago, and it took most of my crop. So I've been pretty lucky this year that it hasn't happened any more than it has. I've got an area here about 3-4 square feet, and just a little bit over there. See that missing patch there? But most of the barley is still here. And I'm going to try and get as much of it as I can out today, just so they don't steal anymore. Little buggers. Okay, just thought I'd show you guys how I'm harvesting these. I've just found the quickest way because there's a few green ones here interspersed amongst the riper ones. I think it's what I've been doing is just grabbing a few and just throwing them in the bucket like that. So as you can imagine, this is taking quite a while. This bed here will probably take me almost an hour to do. Okay, there's one bed's worth of barley, and with about, I don't know, 10% left in the bed. I think it wasn't ripening as fast because it's right beside the corn here, and it's getting some shade. So, one bed left, and that should do it till next week when I can get the rest.